All right, y'all, we are at Abraham Lincoln's Birthplace National Historic Site. We're on our way to Mammoth Cave National Park, but this was a cool little stop on the way just to kind of see where Lincoln was born. So we're on our way now to take a peek at a historical home most of us in the US elementary schools grew up hearing about, which is Abraham Lincoln's log cabin. But most of us probably never give it much more thought, let alone realize that birthplace still exists today, tucked away in the rolling hills of central Kentucky, which is where we've been traveling around, having fun in the Bluegrass State. Be sure to check out our previous videos as we've explored the good old city of Louisville. From there we went to explore the epic Noah's Ark, then visited Lexington for dinner, and now we've made it to Elizabethtown, being that it's a good centralized location and not too far from our main attraction, which is Mammoth Cave. Because rule number 5 about visiting national parks is not to start your day by driving long hours just to arrive. Hence why we are here now. Alright, so we just arrived to our Airbnb. Beautiful little brick house. Downstairs? Where? What?
We're gonna do laundry.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, I'm like...
I'm the black person. Okay, fine. Alright, avenge me.
He said I'm the black person.
Oh! Ping pong.
Ping pong.
This place is nice. Everyone happy with the Airbnb? Yay. Good night, everybody. So we woke up to a cloudy day and got some breakfast at a local hotspot. We're at the Toasted Yolk. Amen, let's do After enjoying the amazing food, we were on our way to start our venture. Our main destination of this day was visiting the stunning Mammoth Cave, which be sure to stay tuned for our next video as we discover some of the hidden gems at this famous national park. My method of traveling is this: if there are cool stops along the way to our main destination and you have time, why not stop and explore more? That's how you're able to get the most out of places when you travel. So lo and behold, that's how we've made it here.
We're at the Abraham Lincoln Birthplace National Historical Park. According to our research, Abe was just born here. He didn't chill here much. The boyhood home is somewhere else. So let's check it out, see what it is.
This is really quick, guys. It's like a small little stop, nothing majors.
Nancy Hanks Lincoln, yeah, that's his mama.
The park features a small visitor center with a modest but informative museum that gives a glimpse into Lincoln's early life and the frontier setting. Best of all, the entrance to the park and the grounds is completely free. And don't forget to grab your national park stamp when you're here as well. Yeah, they got her little stamp. It is a national historic site, so it counts. But the main attraction here is definitely the grand temple that's housing the log cabin. We're trying to beat the crowds, the little kid crowds, all the kindergartners, the crazy kindergartners. Let's go. It is kind of a little resemblance of the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. This was actually made by the same guy who made the Jefferson Memorial in D.C. Actual log cabin that Abraham Lincoln was born in. It's preserved inside this beautiful temple. How cool. It is. It is.
Hello.
You might be on YouTube. The Epic Venture Seeker. Remember that. Remember that. See, of course, everywhere I go, the kids see that I'm famous and they're like, yo, what's your YouTube? And I'd be like, it's the Epic Venture Seeker, look it up. And that's that. That's the little cabin. Not a major grand thing, but it's cool to see something different, something historical. Was it everything you guys ever dreamed of? Yeah? Amazing. Let's go. We're gonna go around a little bit and look at the grounds. The area itself is quiet and scenic with walking trails that wind through the well-kept woodlands and open lawns, making it a very pleasant place to stretch your legs. Took his first drink of water from this spring. Wow, that is so cool. Wow, how cool. So this is probably the first water Abraham Lincoln ever drank from. Do you feel more patriotic and American after seeing the birthplace of Abraham Lincoln?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes.
What is an American? I think that's the question we all need to ask.
Okay, let's go. So the question is it worth the visit? Honestly, I wouldn't say it's something to drive hours out of your way for. But if you're already in the area, then definitely. It's great for all ages, especially if you're into American history or just enjoy a tranquil outdoor space. It's a worthwhile stop. And considering there's no entry fee, then why not? It's a cool way to step back in time and enjoy a slice of history.
I guess you could say it's marvelous.
I've been coming out like this a lot.
Let's go.